The AccuMobility Ultimate Back Roller. This is designed by a chiropractor to be the most effective back roller available. We've got a patented groove and bump pattern here that puts no pressure directly on the spine and focuses all of the release onto the muscles either side of the spine. This provides a deeper release to those muscles without creating the jamming effect on the spine itself that a traditional foam roller would do. Because when you've got a flat surface and you're rolling your back on that, essentially that's pushing up into the spine directly on the bone. That is not what you want. What you want is you want to work the muscles either side. So with these different rows of bumps here, we're able to target the inner paraspinalis muscles as well as the outer ones with better precision and better control. The height here, this is 11.5 inches tall, is also an enormous advantage because it allows for better core activation, glute stability as you bridge into your back rolling. So you can safely work the low back on this, much more so than when on a traditional low foam roller, because you can actually engage your glutes, and the curvature, right, is so gentle that it allows for a spread across all these different bumps of the pressure. So you can use this numerous different ways. We are stuck in flexion constantly between computer work, driving, our postural patterns, looking at our phones. We're rolled forward all the time. That is why we made this thing so tall, because the idea here is that when you get onto this, you're able to fully extend over it to get better extension. And this works both as a passive sort of hold position to stretch, as well as better improvement with active mobilization. Because as you roll, you can stop on any specific part of your back, brace, and then specifically work that segment with exact control, while these bumps are pushing either side of the spine into the muscles. So that's the idea of the back roller when used on the back. This also has an incredible effect of working the rest of the body. So this height becomes an advantage when rolling the quads. It's easier to get into position. Rolling the hamstrings, the elevation actually allows you to put pressure into the hamstrings, whereas a low foam roller makes it really hard to even put adequate pressure as you're trying to roll them. You can also very easily get on your side and work up through the lats, back of the shoulder, down through the tricep, and you can do different stretches using the height as an advantage as you go through stretches. For example, get on your side and you can open up, letting the tricep lift, sinking into here. You can get onto the back, brace your core, and then specifically work the upper segment that you're trying to target without this complete rib flare. That sort of control allows you to use this multiple ways to really target what you're trying to release. We made this rated to 1,000 pounds of pressure, which means it's incredibly durable and will not break down. We wanted this to be able to be used by anybody in all circumstances. This is tough molded, non-toxic foam, okay? It's incredibly durable, and this is designed to last. We made a roller here that can be used multiple ways, used on the back to really, really improve extension and work sore, tight backs and help back pain, as well as anywhere else in the body to really target specific trigger points as you work through active range of motion.